Clouds, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another try on clothing haul for you guys. I just recently discovered this amazing online brand called FemmeLuxe. I'll tag them right here, and they have the cutest outfits, accessories, and swimsuits, all for really great prices. Now, this is my first time I've ever ordered from them, but I was really impressed. The shipping was quick, I got it in less than 2 days, and the outfits and their quality is amazing. So I decided to get a couple goodies, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so first I just had to show you guys their packaging. This is so cute. I could always appreciate a good packaging, and I just love this style. So it actually has handles so you can carry it around. Very easy once you get it out of your mailbox. And there was a like simple tear open tab right here, which made it super easy to open. But yeah, I just love the details like this. This is their website and their information. Super cute design. Love, love, love it. Okay, so I just changed my shirt just because this crop top has a lot of details that I really want to show you guys. I love this so much, even though I was just wearing this, you guys already saw it. But there is a lot of details that I would like to explain to you guys and just everything about it because it is such a beautiful crop top. Like, I am obsessed with it. I love the black and white. I love the like snakeskin prints. And then also what's really cool about this, it's also leather, but it's not, it's kind of like a fake leather. It's very shiny, which is what I love. I love the details of the cutout bralettes, and it kind of gives like a corset vibe for a crop top. And the best part about that, because it goes with the corset vibe, is the back. The back is like a corset where you have to hook them up individually, which is really, really cute, and it's honestly very easy to put on yourself. So this is in a size 6, and their sizes on their website a little different than what I'm used to, so I definitely recommend checking out their size guide because I believe it was like a 6 or a 4 that I was in between. So yeah, definitely check the size guide out, but I believe the 6 is like the perfect size. Now you can pair this with a leather black skirt, a white skirt, or let me just show you guys. These black leather leggings are everything. I just love them so much. Like, I love anything leather these days. Leather is such just like a mood right now, and these are everything. So these are really long leggings. They actually go all the way down to your ankles, maybe even a little past your ankles, which is really nice. So you could wear a nice like tight heel that covers the part where it meets your ankles and your heels, if you know what I mean. And then also these are very, very high-waisted, which I love. I love that it has a tightening strip at the top because it does suck in your waist and just gives you that hourglass finish. And they are super tight, which is what I love. You know, I love tight clothes just because it does like emphasize that hourglass body style, and it does really just make the whole outfit look so clean and so unique. And it's also like a simple sexy, which is what I love. And I did order these in a size 6. So as I said before, the sizes are a little different, so definitely check the size chart, but these are the size 6, which I think transfers over to a size 2 through 4, I can't remember. So now I'm going to show you guys what this looks like as an outfit. Just you wait. So this outfit is super cute together. It's perfect for a night out, very trendy, and honestly these pants are very easy to put on even though they are leather. I would have not expected that just because normally leather like sticks to my skin when I'm putting them on and when I'm taking them off, but no, these are very comfortable, very light, very chill. Still very tight, but I'm not like can't breathe tight, you know? Just like the perfect. I already wear this outfit, and you guys could go look at it on my Instagram. I paired it with some really cute heels, and the whole outfit was just a look. So yeah, go check it out. So I decided to save the best for last, and guys, this is everything. Oh, I love this so much. If you can't tell, I've been really liking the snake print recently, and this pink is to die for. Like, look at how bright and pretty this is. And this is also leather, but the inside is very like sheer, which is nice so it doesn't make you hot. But I love this so much. The pink, the snakeskin, the leather, the tightness, it's such a mood, and I can't wait to wear this at BeautyCon. In fact, by the time you're watching this, I'll be at BeautyCon, so make sure you check my Instagram out because I'm definitely wearing this as soon as I get to LA. So yeah, let's just go over the details. This is actually the front. There is a big zipper in the front, which is super cute, just a little extra detail. And then the back is completely plain. Now it is like a mini dress, so it will go down to like a little above my knees. And you guys will see here in a second how like amazing it is on. So yeah, I'm gonna try that on for you guys. And this is also in a size 6 again. I think I ordered everything in a size 6 just because it's the smallest size on their website, I believe. I can't remember, But yeah, this is super cute and I can't wait to try this on for you guys, so I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, so yeah, do you see this dress is everything? Okay, yeah, hello. Love this dress so much. Super tight, super like fitted, which is everything and like a must in my wardrobe. I love the design, I love the pattern. I just love everything about this, and the material is like not too tight where it shows things that you don't want to show. It's like perfect. I can't wait to go to BeautyCon and wear this because this is a whole look. And I would tell you guys what kind of shoes that I would wear with this dress, but you guys are just gonna have to see on the gram. And this honestly feels super comfortable, which is what I love, and it's very like easy to move around in, very breathable, very, very cute. Well, those are all the goodies that I got from FemmeLuxe. They're actually having a huge sale right now, so I'm gonna go order some more things right now. Let me know what you guys think of the pieces that I got in this order in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, also, I am doing a giveaway. I'm picking 5 lucky winners to receive 1 lipstick shade of their choice from S.K.Y Beauty Co. If you subscribe to my channel and refer 5 friends, have each one of them like this recent video and comment your name, then you're entered. I'll be announcing the winners on September 15th, so good luck, and the instructions to enter are also in the description. Go check that out. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye clouds, I love you.